Now, once I told people that I was going to attend the Samsung Flip launch here in Malaysia, the first thing people asked was, oh, is that a new phone? No, it's not a phone, as I'm going to be showing you guys what exactly this Samsung Flip is, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality videos absolutely for free. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome to Dope Tech Episode 1. The Samsung Flip is an interactive flip chart screen, making it a perfect companion no matter which industry that you're in. It was one of the devices which I personally was really excited to arrive here in Malaysia as soon as I saw it released in this year's CES in Las Vegas. It is a 55-inch 4K UHD resolution screen which has a quad-core processor. It uses the Tizen operating system, which is the same operating system as the Samsung Gear S3 smartwatch, which has been optimized to match the performance and of course the size of the screen. Now in terms of build quality, it uses the same type of hard plastic material similar like TV screens out there, and it has a very sturdy 4-legged stand with 4 rollers underneath, which gives it easy movement and ensures proper stability since the screen can be easily rotated from portrait to landscape. Now since it is an interactive flip chart, it has a dedicated pen, which is the Samsung pen, where it's properly stored below the screen if it's on landscape mode. Now the pen has 2 sides. The sharper side, which is used to write and even select a command such as navigating through the screen or touching and holding the pen at the screen to select different color palettes. And as for the blunt side, is to use as a highlight, and to erase the content, just use your hands to rub it off. Super cool. Now the pen is not pressure sensitive, but it works more of a general writing and drawing purposes, which works really well. There were great results of the caricature being drawn during the launch of the event of the Samsung Flip here in Malaysia. There's seamless scrolling up to 20 pages. It has a total of 4 ports underneath the screen, which is a LAN port, HDMI in, touch out, and this USB port is to connect your laptop for a 2-way communication, and the power port. And at the side there's 5 ports in total, which is the USB port, another LAN port, a RSC232C in, and this is for Samsung services purposes, another HDMI in, and a touch out port. And last but not least, there's also a USB port at the Samsung pen storage area, where you also find the NFC touch area as it's compatible with NFC Android devices. Now going further into the interface, you have 4 input options, where there's mobile, for screen mirroring with your phone. Now here's where you can mirror your phone screen similar like the Samsung DeX, and you can even take a picture, take a screenshot, and then write or draw on the picture accordingly. Then there's the laptop input, where there's HDMI or wireless connection, while the wireless connection only supports for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. There's also input through USB and network drive. Then you can export your work through 4 options as well, through email, print, USB and network drive. Then there's the menu icon at the middle below of the screen, where there's options such as creating a new chart, opening a previously saved chart, saving the chart, lock, delete, and change between white to black board. Pretty neat. Then you can increase and decrease the volume as well, where there is a built-in speaker right underneath the screen, and here's a quick sound test. Now just next to the menu icon, there's an icon next to it to go to the scrolling functions, undo, and the redo action. Now going further into the settings, here's where you can change the thickness of the pen, adjust the pen's color options, and the color of the highlight as well. Then there's network settings, system settings to adjust the language, time, pin or device name. Then there's picture settings to adjust the backlight, color temperature, and white balance. And last but not least, there is support for software update, contact Samsung, and reset all. Now in conclusion, the Samsung Flip is definitely a great addition for consumer businesses or even colleges and classrooms as well. It is currently retailed at 12,999 ringgit, and I'll leave a number down at the description below in case you guys are interested to get one, or if you know anyone who's interested to get the Samsung Flip. Alright guys, do let me know whether or not you've enjoyed my very first episode of Dope Tech by letting me know at the comment section below, as I'm looking to review some other cool tech like this, just to give an added fresh content for the channel other than the consumer type of items. With this, I'd like to give a huge appreciation to Samsung Malaysia for inviting me to review this super cool Samsung Flip. Aside from that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.